everybody. So this is the Treble Clef Notes Matching Game. A fun way to learn and practice note names. So I created this as just like a fun, good old-fashioned matching game, and I was figuring out how to do this on Google when I was distance learning. But now that I'm seeing students in person again, they still like to do it on the Google Slides version. So I'm going to show you how we play. It's the normal rules of play. Students would either play by themselves or play with a group of students or just one other student, whatever works for your classroom. The idea is that you flip over 2 cards. If they match, then the student gets to quote unquote keep them. Since this is not a physical product, then they would have to write the note name down. You could even have them draw out a staff or give them staff paper to write down the notes so they can keep track of, say, the difference between treble clef first space F and treble clef fifth line F. And if they get matches, they keep going. If not, then they stop and they flip the cards back over to cover them, and the next student gets to go. At the end of the game, when all of the cards have been matched, then whichever player gets the most matches wins. So here's how you would play. You would keep this in edit mode, because if you put it in present mode, they won't be able to click these. And the student would just click and press delete and click somewhere else and press delete. Whoops, not a match. So they would just go back up here to the undo button, or just do Control Z. I'm on a Mac, might be different for PC, and flip them back over. In the event that, let's do another one. I actually don't know what these are. That's still not a match. So let's say that these were a match just for haha's sake. So if this was a match, and let's say it was matching F first space, then they would either write that down on a piece of paper, F first space, or you can, like I said, give them some staff paper and they can just literally write the note in. So this is really awesome for reinforcing note names. So I'm going to flip these back. Now, in the event that you want to use this as a traditional game in person where they can manipulate these cards, then these are the instructions. But basically, you would just print out these cards, either in color or black and white. It's minimal color. And you would print them and cut them out and either keep them just like that. I find that cardstock works best for that. Or if you're into laminating, you can laminate all of the cards so you have some sets of them. Or you can just print them on regular paper and just attach them to individual index cards. Put them in a baggie and you're good to go. Please follow me on Music Makers Academy. My name is Paula Penna. Check out my Music Makers Academy YouTube playlist also for how-tos with Teacher Pay Teachers. And please click here to get into my Insiders Tribe. If you click on this, it'll actually bring you there. All right, thank you. And please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much.